I stand out among other attorneys because I know this area of law very well and I'm very hands-on with my clients. I'm good at it, I care about it, and I spend a lot of time developing that medical evidence and the lay witness statements and presenting cases before judges. I brief the cases, I discuss them with judges, and if we have to do something after the hearing, I'm willing to do that as well. That's what makes me stand out. I'm especially great at communicating with my clients, and I'm very good at making them understand that I care about their families, I care about them, and it matters to me that I win their case. I have spoken to a lot of clients who have told me that when they used other firms, they never got to talk to their lawyer, that they were always talking to an assistant and didn't meet their attorney until the day of hearing. What makes me stand out is by the time we get to hearing, you have talked to me a lot. I have understood your case and you will not go there not knowing what to expect. Another thing that makes me stand out is that I do a pre-trial prep with every single person that I take to hearing, that we go through every question imaginable that I think you might be answered that day, so you are not surprised as to what the judge is going to ask you. If there's something negative that could hurt you in your case, we always tell the truth, but we go over that too. So you will understand exactly what you're expected to do the day you go to trial. So you will understand what the questions will be, the nature of the hearing, and what you need to do to present yourself in the best light possible on the day of your hearing. I am particularly proud of a case where I represented a transgender female that had a particularly difficult judge. The judge did not want to recognize the gender. The judge was rather rude and abrupt during the hearing, and my client was crying. After the hearing, I told the client, she was a very young person, and I told the client, don't worry, because even if the judge denies your case here, we're going to win this case, and I won't give up. We had another hearing. We went to federal court. I won in federal court, got the case remanded back, and requested a different judge, and we won the case. She was very appreciative, and she thought she should just give up because she was so embarrassed as to the way she was treated. I also helped her file a claim against that judge because everyone who appears in front of a hearing for the federal government or in any hearing should be treated fairly and have a full and fair opportunity for their case to be heard. The advice I most often give to clients is tell the truth. It is not, you are there to be honest and open with the judge. Also, the other advice I give to clients is that you are not to try to figure out how you should testify. My job is to listen to your story and present it to the judge the best way possible. I view my role as a counselor and as a partner with you. You are the master of your case. I am not. You will decide what you think is most important about your case. My job is to tell you how cases are won and to explain to you what judges are looking at and to help you bring out what is the most important factors for the judge to consider in deciding your claim. I've been practicing law for 25 years. A client should choose to work with my firm because they'll get personalized service. They can stop in, they can talk about their case, they can talk about other issues. If they need help in other areas of their life, I help them with that as well. Many clients I help obtain their medical care by connecting them with doctors or helping them find indigent care because they no longer have their health insurance. Another reason you want to work with me is because you'll get personalized service. You will get to talk to me. You will get to know that I know about your case and you won't wonder what you should do. If you have questions, you can always call. Another reason that you want to work with my firm is because I can win your case. I care about winning your case, and I am not daunted by the fact that it takes a long time. It does not bother me that a judge may not the first time award your case. I will appeal it to federal court and I'll win your case. I'll get you the benefits you deserve. I'm involved in many events and organizations in the community. I'm a member of the State Bar's Military and Veterans Law section, where I help provide pro bono work for veterans, legal advice that has nothing to do with disability case. I also volunteer at Atlanta Legal Aid Society, where I help people who are fighting landlord-tenant evictions. And I do that also on a pro bono basis. I have fed the homeless with Hosea Feed the Hungry. I also have worked with Chris Kids, helping to organize events for the young people in their program and to help clean up the grounds of Chris Kids. I am also a member of the Georgia Association of Black Women Attorneys. With that organization, I have helped serve meals at community-based organizations, and I also help co-chair their most recent youth summit. I'm also a member of the Georgia Association of Women Lawyers and a member of the Veterans Bar Association. I'm a member of the National Organization of Social Security Representatives and the National Organization of VA Advocates. There are so many things that I'm involved in the community that I cannot list them all. What I like the most is I'm practicing in an area that really matters. I know that someone will eat because of the work I do. I know that someone will have a house to live in or have shelter because of the work I do. I have represented many people who have been homeless. As a matter of fact, I've had people come that were homeless and said that someone on the street told them, "Come see Miss Allen, she'll help you." I do this work because it matters.